Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So a lot of people tell me before I even talk about bonk, it's important for me to actually get this off my chest. It's been a while. I have been thinking about it. As far as for the bonk, we have a technical target which is pretty much met actually. So I gave you this target some few days ago. I gave you this 4 hour time frame pattern, and you kind of actually broke above, retested, and then this target is totally met. So there could be chances where you move up to 4,000 as well. Yeah, I think you're actually going to be making it up to 3,997. Now the thing is that a lot of people say, hey Adam Coins, we've been following you for 2 years. What is your recommendation for the coin? And the reason why I don't say this is because some of you have your hard earned money, okay? Some of your doctors, engineers, lawyers, students, whatever, and it becomes very, very hard to tell anyone what do you have to do. But then again, it also kind of kill me inside that, there's a knowledge that I possess, honestly, right? We're not at 20,000 subscribers for no reason. We're not at almost 3 million total views for no reason. There is a knowledge that I possess that, at least because I have been successful into this business, at least I can actually tell you one thing where you can get success. So let's put it this way. If I had to make a friendly recommendation, if I had to say that, all right, you need my just one recommendation of a coin that you can actually get right now for the next bull run, because this is the message that I gave yesterday. Sorry to spam with the tags. I started crypto when I was 19 in 2017, right? And Ethereum was still at $400. That's the first coin I bought. The thing is, I didn't know what bull run is and how long it lasts. I was just like you, clueless, until I realized my 25 BNB worth $250 being 18,000. Yes, so your 200 has the potential to even become $10,000. Imagine that. And I'm not trying to sell you anything at the moment, even though most like right what I'm saying right now is totally to tell you one coin as per my recommendation, that maybe, just maybe, if we get it, and understand this, it's risky. All Adam Coins can say is, if you have 1,000, use 15% on my name. All right, all you have to do is like this video, take a screenshot, you like the video, and come on Discord and click on the announcement and click on my name and send me the message of a screenshot that you liked the video. I have actually done a 9 month to 10 month research. At least it's pretty fair for you to just like and send me a screenshot for in return. That's pretty much it. That's all you have to do, and I'll tell you for totally free. Now the thing is, bonk, we have a little bit of a move, I think, coming up. So this target is already met, and I think you're looking for further 16% move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.